What's going on, guys? How you guys doing out there? All right, here's another one. Rhythm and flow number 8. Here we go. You woke up late, missed your bus. You had to walk to school. Zanen baten hibadaten. Forgot your swimsuit, and today you have pool. Zanen baten hibadaten. Kyushoku kare. What? You forgot your spoon? Zanen baten. Hibadaten. The bagel shop closes at 7, but you got there at 8. Zanen baten hibadaten. Today is test day, but you only have a pen. Zanen baten hibadaten. You bought a rooster for eggs, but you need to get a hen. Zanen baten hibadaten. Aw, that's too bad, is what we say for unfortunate problems you get into every day. So if somebody gets caught slipping, this is what you say. Zanen baten hibadaten.
Look, that's good.
All right, I'm gonna leave the music on. It's your turn.
Look, that's good.